Do you know how to talk about your home in English? Today, you'll learn 100 of the most common English words we use every day at home and with furniture. These are real-life words that you'll use in your living room, bedroom, kitchen, and more. Ready to speak English confidently at home? Let's start with the first word. House. Our house is near the park. Home. I feel comfortable at home. Room. My favorite room is the living room. Have living room. We watch TV in the living room every night. Bedroom. The bedroom is painted light blue. Kitchen. The kitchen smells like fresh coffee. Bathroom. The bathroom is clean and bright. Hall. There's a large mirror in the hall. Door. Please close the door quietly. Window. The window is open to let fresh air in. Wall. The wall is decorated with paintings. Floor. The floor is made of wood. Ceiling. The ceiling has a beautiful lamp. Carpet. The carpet feels soft under my feet. Curtain. The curtain blocks the sunlight in the morning. Sofa. I like to relax on the sofa after work. Chair. There's a chair next to the desk. Table. We eat dinner at the table. Bed. My bed is very comfortable. Pillow. I need a new pillow for better sleep. Blanket. She covered herself with a warm blanket. Lamp. The lamp gives a soft yellow light. Light. Please turn off the light before leaving. Mirror. He looked at himself in the mirror. Wardrobe. I keep my clothes in the wardrobe. Drawer. The keys are in the top drawer. Shelf. There are many books on the shelf. Bookcase. The bookcase is full of novels. Desk. I study at my desk every evening. A clock. The clock on the wall stopped working. Picture. There's a family picture on the wall. Frame. The photo frame is made of wood. Rug. The rug matches the color of the curtains. Armchair. Grandpa reads his newspaper in the armchair. Cushion. She placed a red cushion on the chair. Sofa bed. We use a sofa bed for guests. Cabinet. The dishes are in the kitchen cabinet. Sink. The sink is full of dishes. Stove. She's cooking pasta on the stove. Oven. The cake is baking in the oven. Refrigerator. There's no milk in the refrigerator. Microwave. He heats his lunch in the microwave. Dishwasher. The dishwasher saves a lot of time. Kettle. The kettle is boiling on the counter. Toaster. The toaster makes perfect bread slices. Cupboard. The plates are stored in the cupboard. Counter. I left the groceries on the counter. Pan. She fried eggs in a small pan. Pot. The pot is full of soup. A plate. I dropped a plate on the floor. Glass. He poured water into the glass. Mug. I drink coffee from my favorite mug. Spoon. I need a spoon for my soup. Fork. Don't forget to bring a fork. Knife. The knife is very sharp. Napkin. Use a napkin to clean your hands. Refrigerator door. The refrigerator door is left open. Cupboard handle. The cupboard handle is broken. Balcony. We have breakfast on the balcony. Garden. There are many flowers in the garden. Yard. The kids are playing in the yard. Garage. The car is parked in the garage. Gate. The gate opens automatically. Roof. The roof needs some repair. Stairs. She walked slowly down the stairs. Staircase. The staircase leads to the second floor. Elevator. Take the elevator to the top floor. Laundry. I do laundry every Sunday. Washing machine. The washing machine is running. Dryer. The dryer stopped working today. Iron. I need to iron my shirt. Ironing board. The ironing board is next to the closet. Closet. The closet is full of shoes. Mat. Wipe your feet on the mat. Doorbell. The doorbell rang twice. Handle. The handle on the door is golden. Lock. Don't forget to lock the door. Key. I can't find my house key. Switch. Turn off the light switch, please. Socket. Plug the charger into the socket. The TV remote is on the sofa. Television. We watched a movie on television. Fan. The fan keeps the air cool. Heater. The heater warms the room quickly. Air conditioner. The air conditioner is very quiet. Vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is in the closet. Broom. I swept the floor with a broom. Mop. She cleaned the kitchen with a mop. Bucket. The bucket is full of water. Trash can. Throw it in the trash can. Bin. The bin is behind the door. Towel. I need a clean towel after showering. Soap. The soap smells nice. Shampoo. My shampoo is on the bathroom shelf. Toothbrush. Don't forget your toothbrush. Toothpaste. I squeezed too much toothpaste. Shower. I take a shower every morning. Bathtub. The bathtub is full of bubbles. Mirror cabinet. The mirror cabinet holds our medicine. Clock radio. The clock radio wakes me up at 7. Great job! Now you know 100 English words for home and furniture words you can use every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other lessons to keep improving your English. Keep practicing every day, and soon, speaking English will feel just like home. See you in the next video.